So hello guys, it's me Matt. So we're gonna play KK. Wait, what? Why are they here? Let's go. Why are they here? Oh guys, I'm lucky. Okay. Yo, they launched that from your way. Bro, what are you doing here, guys? Ow! Ow! Okay, then. Yeah, I know. It's already dropped, like. It looked like dropped in last time, bro. Bro. What do you... Bro. It already dropped in last time, bro. Ouch. Oh, wait, guys, wait. Okay, guys, sorry, but... Guys, why are you here, bro? And why you started to killing me? Ow. Ow. Why are you moving backwards, bro? What the hell? Kurt, why are you here? And Clay? Sorry, I just say Tagalog because I'm a Tagalog player too. But again, let's go. Yeah, and this is my brother Kurt. Oh man. Okay then. Clay, you better run. No, he will not better run, bro. He's right. Oh, but I got Clay. That's why I'm looking at They like to fight each other. I'm gonna kill him. I got. Yeah, got it, baby. Dead in the wall. No. Wait. That is being noise. Something falling from. I will get it. Where is it? Oh, there. I find it. Found it. Guys, I found it. I will kill my friends with it. No, don't you dare, Kurt. I got it first. I hate so much. And why are you like that, Kurt? Go. Where are you guys? I'm right here, bro. I will give you all, guys. Guys, I will give them. You're dead, ma. What do you mean? What? You're the cheater. What do you mean? Oh shoot. Goodbye, guys. Guys, I will escape. Bye-bye. Not for long. Damn, my speaker is so loud, bro. Yeah. Your head is gone. Where are you? Oh shoot, guys. Oh, that didn't hit me so much. Can you get me over here? Yeah. I will just. That's not my fault. Guys, that's not my fault. Okay, I'm dead. What do you mean? Guys, I'm dead. Maraming internet dito. Sorry guys, I just speak Tagalog na naman. Again. Okay, they will deserve it. What did you say? Guys, okay.
You're cheating, bro.
No, guys. Guys, I'm dead. Hey, Bruce. Stop. I'm already dead. I'm not dead. Guys, I
hate you so much.
get him while he's getting the frozen soul. Why? That's not my fault. I just don't know why. Oh. Where are you, bro? No. Okay, try to 2v1 me. Just 2v1 me, bro. What do you mean? I know what you're doing, guys. Guys, maybe I'm jumping by the 2v. Oh, bro just countered me in the snow. Okay, dead. Bro's dead. Yep, my brother has so many itches. Ouch. What? Yeah, I know what they gonna do. I stun. Hindi, 2v1 kami. Hindi ako. 2v1 kami. Kami na eh, 2v. Hindi. Ako.
Ayaw yung kalaban nila? Ayaw kalaban nila?
Oo.
Sino ko yung third?
Hindi, ako. Patay na siya.
Sino ito?
Patay na sila. Ako yan. You're dead, bro. I can't move. Finally. I freeze. Guys, wait. I'm still laggy. Guys, nalalag ako.
Me too, though.
Please. will just leave for a second because I used the ultimate flex work and I got lagged out of the game. I mean, we three are lagged, and now when I join back, maybe.
They didn't even round the leg. Well, of course,
I'm still joining. I'm still joining, guys. I'm still joining. Come on, bro. Guys, I can join because of my lagginess. Oh, guys, I'm gonna kill that both of them when I join. So though I will not make them angry, I will make them mad. Mad and angry.
I didn't read that later, guys.
Yep. Who said it? I can't join, guys.
That's normal.
So guys, maybe it's the end of the video. So like and subscribe and share and comment from the video. Bye bye.